Okay, we're going to talk about two nesting strategies that have become standards for best security practices. Now, I know that this is going to strain your brain. It's going to turn your brain into a pretzel if you try to figure out why all this works the way it does. So just learn them and be happy with that. There are two strategies depending on whether or not you're using universal groups. The first strategy is called AGDLP. That is to say, you're going to put accounts into global groups. That's the AG portion. And then you're going to nest those global groups into domain local groups. That's the DL here. Finally, you're going to apply permissions to those domain local groups. The other option is if you're going to use universal groups, then you use the AGUDLP. Accounts into global groups into universal groups nested into domain local groups, and then apply permissions to those domain local groups. Again, it's confusing. I understand it's confusing, and if you work hard enough at it, you can kind of work out why this works, why it's the best security practice. But just trust us that it is, and learn AGDLP and AGUDLP and how to interpret those, what they mean. In other words, what are those nests of groups going to look like, and you'll be fine.